everyone, today we will be making some waffles. So I know everyone has flour in their pantry. They have sugar, they have butter, they have vanilla extract. You have all of that. You have eggs in your refrigerator, so you don't have any excuse to say I don't have all these stuff, because I know somebody has a bag of flour that they've bought, never used before. It's just sitting there. So we're gonna put it to use today. We're making some waffles. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, right now we're gonna pour our 2 cups of flour in. 2 cups of flour. There we go. Another cup. Alrighty. And all we're gonna do is sift to make sure there's no like lumps or chunks of flours, and to make the flour smoother also. And right now we will be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar just depends on how much sugar you like. I only put 2 tablespoons because we will be eating these waffles with syrup, and I don't want my children to get a sugar rush and start running around here. It's too much. Too much. Now we will be adding our baking powder. And we'll just put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we will put 1/4 of salt. Not too much, just a little bit to give it a good balance and taste. Just throw it in there. And after that, we will be just mixing up our dry ingredients, making sure everything is blended and good to go. And right now, we will be starting with our wet ingredients. And I'm going to start by cracking 2 of my eggs that we need. After 2 eggs, we will be needing 2 cups of milk. And then we will be adding some vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon, but vanilla extract is optional. If you want to put it, you can put it, or you don't have to put it. It's all up to you. And right now we will be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, I was just trying to show you guys that these butter sticks comes with indications, so you can just cut it from whatever how much you need. So it's easy that way, so you know how much butter you're gonna put. Yeah. And as you can see, my son over here would not let me be great. Not at all. Bothering me. Gosh. Okay, we got our butter melted. Now we'll just pour it in with the rest of the ingredients. Just like that. And we'll just whisk it and make sure everything is just blended. And right now we're just going to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and just pour it in slowly so it doesn't make too much clumps. Because if you put it all right away, you're going to have a lot of lumps and clumps, and it's very annoying, very aggravating. So as you can see, I'm still mixing, just making sure we don't have chunks of flours, lumps, or anything. We just want to make sure our batter is nice and smooth. Okay, and right now I'm just spraying some butter on my waffle maker just to make sure it won't stick. If you don't have butter, you can use canola oil, that's fine. Okay, and we're getting ready to put my batter in. Just scoop it up just like that and pour it in. It's easy as it looks, just like that. Alrighty, after like 4 minutes, my waffles were ready to take out. It was ready to go. Here we go. As you can see, I sprayed my butter so nothing is like stuck on there. And that's just the excess batter that fell on the side. It looked like a breadstick. Yep. So as you can see, the unhealthy part of me decided to make burgers out of my waffles. So right now, I took out my bacon and I'm about to make some waffle burgers. So I guess there won't be a 2020 summer body for me this year. Yeah, it's canceled. See what I'm eating? Like, God help me. Here I am again, frying up these beef patties, stacking it up, stacking all the grease up in my body. That's what I'm about to do. And right here, I decided that I will add an egg on my waffle burger. So that's what I'm doing right now. Frying it up, frying it up. Alright, right now I'm getting ready to assemble my burger. As you can see, I'm opening up my pepper jack cheese, and I have also my Kobe Jack cheese, both of the Jack brothers. Alright. Alright, I'm going to add my patty on top of that waffle. And then I'm going to take my pepper jack, put it on there. Get my bacon, slap it on there. And then get the other Kobe Jack brother cheese. And put it on there, just like that, just like that. And then I'm gonna get my egg and put it on that, just like that. And then put my waffle on top of it. Press it down. Make sure it was nice and sturdy. And I'm gonna cut it in half and let y'all see how it looks like. Voila!